Here'll be another modded Schindler M series traction lift at Grand Central Shopping Centre, Toowoomba. The mod has been 6,500. This thing's got modernised twice. I don't know what fixes were originally, but I suspect like the first modernisation at Dewhurst is the second. Linea outside and blue Dewhurst US 95 inside. Here it is. I like the Chime. Sensors before we go anywhere, they're HANA 40 plus. Sharky. Let's go to the roof. Cat feed. Right, roof.
Level, roof,
Got G.
car park. Going down.
Going down.
Going to go.
To which level?
Go.
Don't even know.
We'll go car park 1A. This way.
Level 1A, car park.
That's one.
Going down.
No, this is what we're doing. Because we're going inside the shop.
Level 1, going down.
Lift number 3, maximum persons 29, maximum load 2,244 kilograms, Grand Central,
Ground floor.
250 Margaret Street, Toowoomba, Queensland 4350. Go up to level 2 and end it.
Level 1, going up.
Don't press it, man. Go. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're going up.
Which one are you going to?
2.
Level 2,
Thank you.
going up.
Do you want to have out first?
Oh, sorry, thank you.
Thanks.